How can you stay safe around electricity? Most of the time, electricity is your ally. But you also risk being hurt if you don't know what to do in dangerous situations involving electricity. Here are a few reminders to ensure your safety around electricity. Never climb a tree that is near power lines. Look up before you climb. Fallen power lines can still be live. Stay at least 10 meters clear of them. Warn others and ask an adult to call 000-000. Don't put drinks or other liquids on or near electric appliances. Water and electricity are a lethal combination. Never put a metal object into a toaster. Electricity can travel through the metal to your body. Don't leave cables trailing. Not only can they pose a trip hazard, but they might also be tempting for pets seeking something to chew on. Remember to unplug charging cords when not in use, and never piggyback or overload power points to stay safe. A recap. Everyone should remember what to do to stay safe around electricity. Electricity is helpful in many ways, but can also harm people and properties. Think of possible electrical hazards at home and outside. What is your to-do list to keep you and others safe?